we're gonna park a little bit, guys. We're gonna eat lunch and we're gonna go to that restaurant right there. It's called Waterfront, and we're just gonna take this the whole way, all the way to the top. So we'll see you later. We have a calamari, we have yellow bell peppers and tomatoes, I think, or yellow bell peppers. Oh, it's peppers.
Maybe.
And then we have a lemon, and then we have a sauce. Yummy, guys. It's so yummy. So I have a pizza with mozzarella, bell peppers, feta cheese, garlic, marinara sauce, whatnot. My husband has. Thank you so much. What is that? Chicken
Walleye.
Oh, wow. Sandwich with lemon. What is that sauce? Tartar and ketchup.
Cocktail sauce.
Cocktail sauce and a French fries. Ayan. You guys, this is what we have for lunch. So we were happy on this restaurant. It's called Waterfront. And my husband put his coat on because the wind picked up a little bit. But the sky is so clear. It's not cloudy anymore. Check that out. So we're gonna have fun now.
It's got music playing loud. What's up, man? How you doing?
This is like very active lake, but there's a lot of people that are fishing. Oh, there's like, it's like a mobile homes up there. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
150,000.
How much? 150?
I don't know.
Oh my goodness. I mean, I don't, because you know, they're in front of the water. I don't mind. Look at that.
What?
Port of OKOBOJI. It's like a 2-decker boat, or whatever you call that. To be able to park their boat there all year round. That's awesome, guys. So we'll be right back. Just gonna try to catch these houses over here. in competition. Who's got the better house? Who's got the better yard? In front of the lake. This lake though is humongous. It's probably a quarter of Iowa is this lake. Oh, the big house is right there, Beth. How beautiful the house is. My husband's moving the chair because all I see is head. Alright, now we're back in business. Wow, look at that. It's so relaxing. What a lucky people. I get to enjoy this. I want to live here, babe. I want to live over here. Even a little house like that. See that? Like a little house. I can live in a little house like that, guys. Look how little that is compared to that house next to it. My gosh. Billionaires and millionaires live over here. This is probably their vacation house too, huh, Beb?
Can't be.
Yeah, they don't live here. This is just a vacation house because it gets really cold here during winter. We'll be back here summertime with the kids. Definitely they're gonna have fun. Jeremy will have a perfect bait for the small fish or walleyes because right now he doesn't have any tools for walleyes, he said. So we're just gonna have fun, relax, take a nap in a boat, wait until, I don't know, sunset. I want to see the sunset later. Hopefully you can see it. But look at all the houses here. I'm so jealous. I'm not jealous. I'm glad they have a nice houses that I can actually look and enjoy looking at it. Someday we will have a mansion in heaven. Our mansion is in heaven, Bev. Located by the lake, because God knows how much you want the water. I do too. We're taking donation so that we can have a vacation house. So donate na. And you can stay here too. We can all stay. OKOBOJI is pretty though. It's tiny, but it's pretty. I don't see any malls here yet. Pretty much that's in Sioux City. How far is that? Oh, that's in Sioux City.
An hour and 45 minutes
shoot.
or 2 hours.
They don't have a mall here, guys. When you're here, you don't go shopping. Rooftop garden or roof garden? Thank you, come again. It's Melanie's. Thank you, come again.
Hey guys, thanks for watching Filipina Girl Next Door. If you could, leave a like or leave a comment, or if it's really good to you, maybe you could subscribe. It really helps my mom out a lot, so if you could, that'd be awesome. Thank you.
Es difícil decir que te amo, pero no sé si estoy mezclando una vez más lo que me das y lo que quiero. De pronto ya no sea mi realidad. No sé si es amor, es que quiero estar solo. La soledad me hace preso, la condena son tus besos. No sé si es amor, es que no quiero estar solo. A veces la paso lonely, no es tu culpa, I'm sorry. Estamos envueltos en un juego de dos. Quiero estar a lo tuyo, pero a veces no. De pronto son cosas del destino. Nos mejoramos con el tiempo como el vino.